convenience, fun, beauty, style, activities, social events, peace of mind. A master-planned community offers the lifestyle and amenities you value most. More than a neighborhood, it's a hub to live, work, and play. And each community is unique, often focusing on a specific lifestyle, like golf, or catering to a distinct audience, like active adults. Food and beverage options can go from casual to full-service dining, while sports, resort-style amenities, and special interest activities engage each member of the family. For those looking to break a sweat, and for those who want to be pampered. As a board member, you know, running a community with so many moving parts may seem complicated. FirstService Residential offers daily operations support, financial and budget planning, local teams, technology, and expertise to help achieve your long-term vision, so you can cross items off your to-do list and your bucket list. Because we don't stop until what's complicated becomes uncomplicated. To make life simplified.